Alright folks, listen up. Ideogram AI just unleashed their brand spanking new model, Ideogram 2.0. And let me tell you, it's not messing around. This bad boy is gearing up to go head-to-head with the heavyweight champs like MidJourney and even the fresh-faced Flux AI. So buckle up, cause we're diving in. Ideogram AI has just pulled back the curtain on their latest brainchild, Ideogram 2.0. And trust me, this ain't your average update. We're talking about a game-changing leap in image generation that's gunning for the top spot. Now, Ideogram's always been that scrappy underdog in the AI arena. You know? Kind that's got serious skills, but somehow flies under the radar. Ideogram 2.0 is bringing some serious heat when it comes to realism. If you're all about crafting images that look so real, you could reach out and touch them, you're gonna want to give this a whirl. But hold up. It's not just about making things look photo perfect. They've tossed in a whole bunch of new bells and whistles that'll help you nail exactly what's bouncing around in your brain. Whether you're after a slick 3D render that pops off the screen, an anime character that looks like it stepped right out of Japan, or a graphic design so detailed it'll make your eyes pop, Ideogram 2.0's got your back. To really get why Ideogram 2.0 is such a big deal, we gotta zoom out and peep the bigger picture. The AI image game has been on fire lately. Flux 1 just burst onto the scene and is already the go-to image wizard for Grok on X. It's not just making waves, the competition's fierce, and Ideogram 2.0 is stepping into the ring swinging. Get this. In their big reveal, Ideogram didn't just talk a big game. They laid their cards on the table. They're claiming their new model is smoking the competition in some seriously crucial areas. We're talking image-text alignment that's so on point it'll make your head spin, prompts that match up with the final product like they were separated at birth. And get this, they're even nailing text within images. Now, if you've ever messed around with AI image generators before, you know that text rendering has always been that one annoying zit. But Ideogram 2.0? It's like they've found the cheat codes to the Matrix or something. Let's dive into the goodies Ideogram 2.0 is dishing out. They've cooked up 5 killer presets that'll have you churning out exactly what you're after without breaking a sweat. First up, we've got the realism preset. This bad boy will have your images looking so lifelike, you'll be doing double takes. It's like having a pro photographer in your pocket. Next, the design preset is a godsend for all you graphic design junkies out there. Say goodbye to those weird glitches. Your text and visuals will be crisp and clean, just the way you dreamed them up. For all you 3D lovers, the 3D presets got your back. It'll give your images that slick, computer-generated polish that'll make folks wonder if you've got a secret render farm hidden somewhere. Anime fans, rejoice. The anime preset nails that manga vibe so hard, you'll half expect your creations to start speaking Japanese. Last but not least, there's the jack-of-all-trades general-purpose preset. This chameleon adapts to whatever wild idea you throw at it. It's like the Swiss Army knife of presets. Perfect for when you're feeling extra creative, but hold on to your hats. That's not all. They've also thrown in a color palette control. It's gonna blow your mind. Want to nail your brand's exact shade of chartreuse? No sweat. Trying to capture that perfect sunset vibe? Easy peasy. Alright, let's zoom in on that realism preset, cause this is where Ideogram 2.0 is really showing off. I'm talking about images so lifelike, you might try to swipe the dust off your screen. So real, you'll want to reach out and touch them. And don't even get me started on the human features. We're talking skin and hair that look like they belong on a Hollywood movie set. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about text rendering. They've cracked the code on text rendering, making it a solid bet for anyone who needs images with text you can actually read. Whether you're cooking up a viral social media post, piecing together a killer design project, or just messing around for funsies, Ideogram 2.0's got your back. Hey, check this out. Ideogram's not just sitting pretty with their fancy new model. They're going all out with a shiny new iOS app. And don't sweat it, Android folks. Your turn's coming up real soon. But that's not all, folks. They've unleashed a beta version of their API, and let me tell you, this is big news. It means you can now weave Ideogram 2.0's magic right into whatever wild project you're cooking up. Their API pricing? It's not going to make your wallet cry. They're coming in hot with rates that'll make the competition sweat. Oh, and I almost forgot, they've cooked up this thing called Ideogram Search. It's like they've handed you the keys to a treasure chest filled with over 1 billion images that Ideogram users have whipped up over the past year. Alright, let's dish about what it's actually like to play with Ideogram 2.0. Because there's some stuff you'll want to know before you dive in headfirst. So, here's the deal. Ideogram 2.0's got this freemium thing going on. You can totally use it for free, but there's a catch. On the freebie plan, you're looking at cranking out up to 20 images a day, broken down into 5 batches of 4. Now, if you're just dipping your toes in or working on some small fry projects, that's not too shabby. But if you're a hardcore image junkie, you might want to think about leveling up to one of their paid gigs. Their paid plans start at $8 a month, which gets you more wiggle room and a bigger image allowance. And if you're really going ham on the image generation, they've got this unlimited slow generations plan for 20 bones a month. When you stack that up against the big boys like MidJourney, where you're shelling out $10 for the basic plan and $30 for unlimited slow generations, Ideogram's looking pretty sweet. Alright, let's stack Ideogram 2.0 up against the new kid on the block, Flux 1, which has been turning heads with its Grok on X hookup. Based on the early buzz and user chatter, it looks like Ideogram 2.0 isn't just hanging in there. It's shining like a bright star in the sky. When you flip on that realism preset, Ideogram 2.0 is going toe-to-toe with Flux 1. That's no small feat, considering all the hype Flux 1's been drumming up. Now, if you're all about tweaking every little detail, MidJourney's still got the edge with its fancy customization trick. But don't count Ideogram 2.0 out just yet. That new color palette control and those slick presets give you a ton of creative wiggle room without having to dive into the deep end of prompt engineering or mess around with extra tools like style transfer or LoRa's. So, really, it boils down to what floats your boat. User-friendly and wallet-friendly, or all the bells and whistles? So is Ideogram 2.0 worth your time? Hell yeah. It's a breeze to use, pumps out top-notch stuff, and won't break the bank. With its beefed-up realism, text that actually looks like text, and nifty features like color palette control, it's strutting into the AI image arena, ready to rumble. Plus, with the shiny new iOS app, Developer API, and that Ideogram search feature, it's like a Swiss Army knife for both the pros and the newbies. Whether you're neck-deep in AI art or just dipping your toes in, Ideogram 2.0 deserves a look-see. It might just become your new creative BFF. Alright folks, if this video tickled your fancy, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more deep dives into the coolest tech and AI out there. And hey, you've taken Ideogram 2.0 for a spin, drop a comment below and spill the tea. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you on the flip side.